Hi guys, so this video is going to be my home tour video where me and my husband lives. It's a small 680 square feet 2 BHK apartment which I have decorated with all the things custom made, thrifted or from Amazon. So let's get started. So the main entrance door opens up to my living room which has a big sofa, or I call it as a day bed, is placed. It has 4 drawers on it where I can put so many things, and the main entrance gate, it has this hook, yellow color, with where we put our keys on it, and with a stool on the side of this door, so anyone who enters the house can put off his or her shoes on it. Guys, the length in the sofa, I just customize it according to the length and width I wanted, and I chose the wood by myself and the mica or the cover by myself, and I got it from custom made from the nearest furniture market. And there's a window parallel to it where like I have put this sheer curtains. Since the weather is not that much hot in summers, I don't put these kind of curtains. And I have placed this colorful and quirky cushion covers, and on one side of the wall of the sofa I have installed these shelves where I have put all the objects which I have collected over from different places, like this seashell I got from Mauritius, and on the other side we have our television and some plants below. So we sit in the sofa or in the ground and just chill and watch Netflix, and I love plants. So this is the rug which is a handmade eco-friendly rug from Amazon, and these cushions are thrifted, all the 4, and this one my husband got as a gift from my sister. And guys, I was telling about this drawer. This is the drawer of the sofa where we put everyday stuff like a laptop, helmet. This is really handy when I quickly want to clean up all the clutters. I just put everything like my charger, everything in it, and get rid of all the clutters, and my house is clean. So guys, on the other side of the wall of the sofa I have installed like this large mirror where I stare myself after getting ready. Just above the mirror, I have this cycle-shaped light which I got from Chandni Chowk just for rupees 300. I'm going to change its place. I don't like this place. And on the side of this mirror, there's a door to my bedroom. Just on the side, there's a large window, and on the ground, there are 4 plants, money plants. How I have organized my furniture to maximize the space of my bedroom is I have this 2 wardrobes at 2 sides, and in between the 2 wardrobes there is a bed, and just above the bed there is this shelf, plain shelf, which I got from Amar Colony just for rupees 1500, and I decorated this shelf with natural as well as artificial plants, 2 bamboos, 1 money plant, and this is the frame which was a wooden frame which I got painted by my hand. And yeah, all the plants in my house are from the nursery which is nearest to my home. This is the table on the leg side of the bed which was previously on my living room. It is a wooden table from Amazon which I got ruined after painting. Guys, all the experiment does not get successful. This is the gate of my balcony. It's a small balcony. I got these steel ropes welded to dry my clothes. I got these matte curtains to protect my washing machine from harsh sun and heat. I have this container for putting dirty clothes and all the cleaning tools. This is how the room looks like from the balcony. Now let's explore the guest room. So guys, it's a door, it has a queen size bed, and above the bed there is the same kind of shelf like my bedroom from the same Amar Colony market, which I have decorated again with artificial and natural plants. And this is the mirror where I really like the reflection of the plants. Guys, all these natural plants when I got, they were really small, like this bamboo. It was not above this tube light, and now it's above the tube light, and on the side of this door I have this nail or hook to hang anything, and just in front of the bed I have this large window. Again, the same sheer curtains are hanging, and on the one side there's kind of a small office space kind of thing, and a shelf where I have put like random stuff. And this is a ladder which I used since I have like all the cupboards at a very high height. And these are cushion covers. And let's come to the kitchen. I am not making a detailed tour to my kitchen. The small kitchen, everything is in white, and the almirahs are open, since that way I think that they don't get like too much dirty, and every container is transparent so I can see what's in it. And the fridge, I have decorated it with some magnets on it. Guys, if you will like to see a detailed kitchen tour, let me know in the comment section. I will make a kitchen tour video for you. So guys, that was all about this home tour video. I hope you like this. Please consider subscribing to my channel and leave the comment section about your video requests. Please like this video, share, and hit the bell notification. Guys, bye.